good? In this video, I will be showing you how to set up text animation in Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you can choose the platform that you're creating your content for. So whether it is social media, for example, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, or a video, you can select that option. Once you have selected the option, you'll be redirected to a blank template. On this blank template, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select text. So let's say, for example, I were to select this text box right here. Now, all you'll need to do is type out your text. So you can type out your text right here. So let's say, for example, test. Then to animate it, all you'll need to do is tap on animate from the top right-hand corner. After you have tapped on animate, you can see different animation options from the left-hand menu option right here. All you need to do is hover over them and you can select the one that you like. So you can see that there are numerous animation options that you can choose from for text. One of the most popular ones is the typewriter option right here. As you can see, you can scroll down, and if you were to select a particular option, after you have selected a particular animate option, you can choose whether you like it to animate on exit, on entry, or both, as you can see right here. And normally you'll be able to edit the intensity also, but to do that you'll normally need to be on the Pro plan. You can also reverse animation, as you can see right there, if you want. Now, if you would like to create your own animation with your text, you can do that by tapping on create an animation at the top of the page. And from there, all you'll need to do is pull the text in the direction that you would like it to go. After you have done that, you can smooth it out if you want, as you can see right there. And you can also increase or decrease the speed. Once everything is to your liking, you can add rotate if you want, you can add motion to it if you want, or you could add a flicker or pulse, as you can see the different options right there. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on done, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.